विश्व वंदनीय श्री 1008 महावीर स्वामी भगवान की जय। बोले परम पूज्य गणाचार्य गुरुदेव श्री 108 डॉक्टर विराग सागर जी महाराज की, अहिंसामय विश्व धर्म की। First of all, I heartily thanks to my most reverend preceptor Acharya Shri 108 Virag Sagar Ji Maharaj, who has given me a great opportunity to speak something in front of all you students. Jainism is like a big MNC. Guess that Jainism is like a big MNC. Why? Because the MNC meaning is that the franchises, the branches are spread in all over the world. Same as Jainism is not only followed by the Indian people, but Jainism is followed by the all over the world. So I can say that Jainism is like a big MNC. Can you guess that? Who is the director of that MNC? Anyone can guess? My most reverend preceptor, Acharya Shri 108 Virag Sagar Ji Maharaj, is the director of that MNC. There are so many employees are working in that MNC, means there are so many followers are in the world who follow the Jainism. I am one of the little smallest employee among those so many employees. So literally there is no any capacity to speak something about that big MNC, means about Jainism. Literally there is no any capacity to speak something about that great director, means about Acharya Shri. But yes, I am doing job in that MNC. I am following Jainism. That's why it's my duty to obey the order of my director, and that's why I am here and I am trying to share whatever I learned from my most reverend preceptor Acharya Shri 108 Virag Sagar Ji Maharaj. Kota. K for kindness, right? K for kindness, O for optimistic, T for talented, and A for artist. You can see these all the four virtues in my most reverend preceptor Acharya Shri 108 Virag Sagar Ji Maharaj. He is full of kindness. He is optimistic because in frozen hot, you can see the very young as well as aged saints are living together with him, and they are walking continuously from Delhi to till now. So can you guess that how optimistic he is there? Next one is T. T for talented. Without talent, he can't manage this big sum. You have a money, you have a cloth, you have a home, then it's very easy to manage. You give the salary and take work. It's very easy. But here no one is giving salary, and without giving salary, they are taking work from society. They are taking work from Jain society as well as non-Jain society. So I can say that he is a very talented person. Next word, A for artist. It's very easy to make a big buildings. It's very easy to get gold medal in Olympic and in each and every field. But it's very hard to make a strong inner, to make a strength inner fully, means to make a strong heart, right? Kindness is there, but kindness is for others, and they are very strong internally. So I can say that he is the biggest artist also. So Kota, the name of Kota is successfully today by the great blessing of most reverend preceptor Acharya Shri 108 Virag Sagar Ji Maharaj, because he come here and he gives blessing to all the Kota people by his kindness, optimistic, and T for talent, and last one is he is a great artist. I think all the students are going to be a doctor. All are? Very good. The doctors must be a patientful, because the patients who will be come with you when you will be doctor, they are very irritated, they are in painful, they are in very stress because they have a pain, and that time you must be a strong, right? Only study is not important, but you must have a strong mind. In very, you must, means very relatives are there, the patient's relatives are there, and they are very irritated on you. And that time you must be a strong. And for being must internally strong, you must have a great, you must have a take a great blessing from most reverend preceptor Acharya Sheikh Sat Virag Sagarji Maharaj.